2022. The name of the topic is high speed wind can be destructive. Here is the topic which you can see. High speed wind can be destructive. Before explaining this topic, I told you that we had read about wind, high speed wind, low speed wind. You have to read from here to here, then you understand that high speed winds are very useful, but sometimes high speed winds causes some disasters in our daily life. Okay, they may affect our buildings, crops. Okay, and sometimes our needs also. So high speed winds cause different problems in our society. After that, here is a given wind play an important role in the information of thunderstorms, cyclones, tornadoes, which can cause disasters. It means high speed wind is the main source of thunderstorms, cyclones, and tornadoes, which can cause disasters to us. High winds cause first storm. Storm, what is storm? So here you read a period of violent weather with strong winds and usually rainy is called storm. A storm is disturbed state of the earth atmosphere which affect the surface of the earth and all object on it. Storm is called tufan in Hindi. In daily life you see sometimes very high speed wind causes occurs with rain, which is called storm. In simple word we called storms tufan in Hindi. Okay. After that, lightning. What is lightning? A natural flow of high voltage electricity with a cloud which appears as a bright flash on the light in the sky is called lightning. Lightning is a high voltage electricity which occurred with a flash in our sky, that is called lightning. After that, thunder. The loud sound which is heard a little after lightning flash is seen in the sky is called thunder. Thunder is produced by lightning as follows. Okay, so it is a sound which occurred after lightning. So thunder is a sound which occurs after lightning in our sky. Okay, after that we come thunderstorm. Thunderstorms. If you read thunderstorms, given that many times during a storm which brings heavy rain, we also hear loud sound called thunder coming from the clouds and see the bright flashes of lightning as well. I told you that during thunderstorm, thunder come, which is a sound, a very big noise sound, and lightning also occur. Okay, so a storm with thunder and lightning is called thunderstorm. It means if both occur at similar time, thunder and lightning, then that is called thunderstorm. Okay, here from the definition you conclude that you will see also when there is rainy day in our sky, the thunderstorm occur. In during thunderstorm, lightning and thunderstorm occur with same time. A thunderstorm is accompanied by heavy rains or hail. Okay, what do you mean by hail? So here given the pellets of frozen rain or ice falling in showers from the clouds is called hail. There is sometimes falling of ice occurs from the sky, that is called hail. Okay. Thunderstorms is produced by the dark clouds which form at fairly low altitude in the atmosphere. During thunderstorm, dark clouds are formed. Dark clouds means black types of clouds, which here you can see in figure. Lightning, black clouds, etc. is given in this figure. So conclude from this figure that thunderstorm occurs in our universe, in our sky, during which lightning and thundering occur at a same time. Okay, so you have to read high speed wind and thunderstorm today.